this was here. This is the factory. Look right there, so we take this off, and then we're gonna put this in space of that. But you know, fit perfect. I will do some trimming because this in the way. So we're gonna cut this off and then start fitting this in. Yes, my people, good day. Thanks for tuning in. We are installing a rear diffuser on this 2012 911, and we are starting to tape some stuff out because we're going to do some cutting and trimming. Hang around, it gets interesting, and I'm going to show you how we install this rear diffuser, and it came out looking beautiful. So let's go get out the cutting apparatus. Ready? Mm-hmm. My friend doing the videoing behind the camera, he owns the car, so he gets really he got really nervous when I broke out the cutting saw. So I had to make sure that he was ready, and I'm asking him every step of the way, are you good? Are you good? Yeah, because his heart is pounding because he's not sure how it's going to turn out because it didn't fit perfect, but it's just a part of the process. Done. Still good? Good. That done. One left. Yeah, boy, the authentic piece of Porsche right here. Wonder if somebody might want this. Like them rip it off or something. Yeah. Can't sell a piece, yeah. You never know. You never know. Let me see how this fit now. Alright. Whenever you're installing these aftermarket pieces, they never tend to fit perfectly the first time you try putting them up there. They will take a little bit of finessing, a little bit of motivation to get them into the right spot. So don't lose heart when you're just starting. Just make sure that it looks like it might fit and then start finessing from there. It look like it. It look like, you know, why, What I'm doing right here is protecting the paint by putting masking tape over it. Right, let me try and see what's going on here. Alright, so make we take it off of the car and fix it when the bump, set it up when the bumper more floppy. Okay. You understand? And then we try to fit it back up. Alright, more floppy than now. It's always a good idea to do the final install with the bumper off the car because the bumper becomes more flexible, and sometimes when you think it might not fit, the flexibility of the bumper when it is off the car will surprise you. So that's what we did here. We took it off the car and then started to make sure that all the clips fit, all of the slots fit, they made it fit, and then went from there. It looks like it can take some motivation. Pushing my neck? Yeah man, start. See if you can send it in.
slot here, so I need a slit.
Mm-hmm. You make feet fit through?
Here's not going to follow it,
But what we want to do is start capturing the edges and just work it around.
So this kind of slit here, so see it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm going to see it fully, I think.
It look like it's into me, you know. You see it fit right in the groove.
At this point, he wants me to break out the air saw and start trimming on the new piece. And I'm refusing. I'm like, it fits good.
It look like it's
I
supposed
feel
to.
like the groove go deeper.
So you mean trim off the top edge off of here, so?
Yeah, good. I just put a slit. I put a few slits
For this ridge right there.
for that ridge, for slide down, this much. But,
Now, this is one of the challenges of working with the owner right there with you. And they have all these ideas. Not saying that the ideas are not sometimes good ideas, but yeah, sometimes they kind of no brakes, run away down the hill, you know. So you have to pump the brakes for them sometimes. Be like, yo, yeah, let's hold off on the cutting and trimming a little bit because we don't want to have to make anything back up after we done cut it off. You understand? So be patient. And here I am finessing the diffuser into its rightful home with a couple love taps. He was a bit surprised when he started hearing how it works. You understand what I'm saying? So, yeah, hang in there. It gets more interesting.
About that. I think it is a lot better than we thought. I'll look on this side now if you think more slippy need to go on, because when you look here, so this is it. The fiberglass come and touch up on the plastic, right? That's not like that. What do you think? You look good to me. You may not know. Fiber gloss. Right, make it light. Alright. Let me try if you at least get in one of the zip tie them in as a first. So that you know pop the edge out. Let me get the drill out.
I use zip ties to hold the rear diffuser in place, the tabs that pass through the bumper cover, and not in the way that you think. You'll see how I use them to keep it in place to prevent it from slipping back out of the bumper cover.
Come squeeze it as right. So make sure so we get it as well. You don't have to put too much pressure as well. The end.
I think so. On the one side, I'll get the end. Push this down into that side.
I guess you could, yeah.
No matter.
I guess you could. You would think of that. how that looks. That going back through there. I'll do the one more. Ready again?
And come from this side.
Yeah. You go from that side. Alright, still intact. Alright. I'm gonna catch that end over here, sir. No?
Oh.
Catch that end. Put it on a bit.
Go ahead and catch both sides. Or get tight. Oh.
Good? Pretty cool. You could send somebody a YouTube link to the thing. To what we do. Check this out. That's pretty nice. It's coming together nicely. Coming together nicely. Yes, there. Oh, look. Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Put it on the lid. Hold on. This go above it, man. Look up as a man. Look up as a man. We need to go above, yeah. Tag a little finicky, so be patient with it. Sometimes you got to pop up, show it. Yeah.
Put them closer.
In? Three, four. Okay.